I like what you're doing, man.
Subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe. Let's run up these numbers.
Yeah, let's keep on going. Away, gang. Away. Go with your kids anywhere. You will see the child man, mama. Good. You are the highest now. 26 kills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this ranking,
So, okay. Second round, guys. He's finishing his cut money now. He's playing for the second round now. Okay, let's see. So all of them are playing, guys. From here to that side. Oh.
This is a giraffe. This is a bird.
Okay.
I don't know what this type of bird is, but I guess some of you know.
Cuckoo birds, baba. Those are cuckoo birds, baba. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. If someone will drop, guys, you'll be notified, guys. Yeah, man. I had to take my boy to get a haircut, man. Cause I promised him I wanna take him to Rosebank. You know, these kids are always chilling around Kokasi, eating kotas and whatnot. So yeah, man, I had to take him outside the hood and show him the real Josie, you know. So yeah, man, so he was getting his haircut. As you can see, guys, now he's fresh now. Now he's fresh, he's ready to go. You know, once the schools are closed, what these kids does is to chow your money. So yeah, man, stay tuned for the whole vlog, man. Watch till the end, subscribe, comment there. If ever you need us to do more vlogs before the schools opens, comment in the comment section, guys. Please, man. Yeah, man, let's go. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, guys, subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time we drop, guys, you'll be notified. We are doing a little vlog with my boy here. I'm taking him to Rosebank from Kasi to the Babs. You know what I mean? Something like that. So yeah, man, stay tuned, go with us. You also because we started with him doing some haircut and shit. You see, now he looks good and whatnot. So yeah, man, you're gonna take a cab from here to Rosebank, you know. So yeah, man, stay with us, stay tuned. From Kasi to the suburbs, you know what I mean? Please say hi to my vlog boy.
Hey guys, I'm new to the channel, so please be nice to me, guys, in the comments.
Yeah, man.
My old man's laughing. I don't know what he's laughing at.
So yeah, man, so stay tuned. He said be nice because it's new. Yeah, man. We have not been shooting for some times now. So yeah, man, stay tuned, and then yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll drop more vlogs with him before he goes back to the Pompo. You know, they're here because of school holidays and whatnot. So yeah, man, stay tuned, and then we're gonna resume this when we are in Rosebank. So yeah, it is what it is.
Bye.
Subscribe. City. Guys, we just landed in Rosebank. This nigga was just too late, guys. I told him that like today I'm taking you to Rosebank. Look at this. We just landed. And I don't think there's still like people on the top floor. Is it the marketplace? I don't know what to call it. So what do you have to say if ever we don't find anybody there, bruh?
Go home.
What do you have to? Oh, just go home. Okay, so we just wasted my money for nothing, man.
But
we just have to go home.
But it's kind of a shame, though.
Yeah, because I told you have to wake up early in the morning, Chief. You see, we're already late now.
Yeah, I was tired as hell, so I'm sorry, guys.
So I don't know, guys. We'll see if there's still at the rooftop. There's still some market happening. But like, yeah, man, this nigga woke up late, very late. So yeah, man, there's playing some music. So we'll see. So we just have to take a lift and then go upstairs. 4th floor, here we come. So I don't know. It is what it is. So we'll see. Let's try to go on the 4th floor and see what to do, guys. Yeah, man. So this nigga is late. Chief, you see we late, bruh.
Yeah.
Guys, you see these cool kids come to Josie, and then when you tell yourself, no, it's fine, I'm gonna take you to see places and whatnot. Press for it. Thank you. So now we're late, guys, because of this little nigga here. But well, it is what it is. I don't think the market is still operating by this time, because 4 o'clock I know the market closes. So yeah, man, we'll see. So yeah, man, we're on the 4th floor. Let's see if ever we're gonna find people by the market. Chief, let's go in here. You late? You woke up late, bruh. So I don't know if we're still gonna find some market, because I wanted to show him some beautiful market, guys. I wanted to show, like, when we're talking about the rooftop market, we are talking about something like what? So well, it is what it is. But we're just gonna check if ever maybe we're gonna find a thing here and there. But like, yo, we're late, bro. We're late. Come this side. We're late, bro. I don't know. But like, we'll see. But it seems like a lot of people are still here, bro.
It's closed?
Yeah, this is market. No, it's closed now because people are leaving, bro. People are leaving, bro. Okay, let me turn the camera, guys, so you can see what we're talking about when talking about the market. This is crazy. Look la patha, she wasn't already saying, look settling. Now people are picking up. Look at this, bro. What I mean, hello. What's saying? Tanada, I want to go over some jewelry and stuff. This one? Eh? Hello. Hi, fam. One logo looks na my cakes. The teddy bear happened to me. This potty and stuff. Logo mlaguda. If you want some magrinas and stuff. Hi, fam. Eh?
It's gigantic.
I jiggy, yeah, that side they won. It's packed, ne? Look at these, bruh.
Guys, tiny houses, tiny planes. You gotta be kidding me.
Mara, she right for display. When this is again, when so far look monaka shoot like podcast and stuff. Logo shoot that podcast, then forget these things, then display also. My community GP, my community nani. It's nice, ne? Oh my God! Let's go, boy. This is crazy. Now go love some jewelry. What's not gonna solo bullet no cover some got the ring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this ring be behind me.
So this is a yeah. Sithole, not it one. This is hello. Ajigala. Yeah, this is the rooftop market. Everyone
Yeah.
just doing their own business up here, boy.
It's like a sale.
Yeah, like it's section and section. Like a lot of people are doing their own stuff. Look at these guys.
Come on.
This is nice.
Guys, do you know about the one I'm playing?
Look at this, bro.
Look at this, bro.
This is crazy.
Now this is what we call art.
And then what are these, man?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What are those?
I don't watch that.
Is it a peacock? Like
This is a flamingo.
which one?
This one is a flamingo.
Okay, and then the other one?
This, I don't even know. This is a giraffe. This is a bird.
Okay.
I don't know what this type of bird is, but I guess some of you know.
Cuckoo birds, bro. Those are cuckoo birds, bro. Then we got like some dogs and shit.
Elephants.
It's nice, ne? Yeah, we got like elephants, like giraffes and stuff.
Guys, when they say art, this is bloody art.
Yeah, this is bloody art, bro. It's good. Please come this way. This is bloody art, bro.
Now this is what we call art.
Then if you got like some bags and stuff, get this, bro.
The design,
The design is crazy, ne? I
too
did,
bad I'm broke. Because mom wouldn't like this.
ne? So you should have bought this one for your moms.
Yeah, if I wasn't broke right now.
No, this is crazy. Look at these, bro. Look at these, bro.
Guys,
What do you think about these drawings?
guys, today in my first time
Yeah,
I
in
realized
Rosebank.
art, damn, it's bloody good.
Yeah, this is nice. Hello. Look at this, bro. Hello, how are you, mommy? No. We're browsing our own. Don't worry. Yeah? I'm blind, eh?
I'm blind. Just look at this.
Eh?
Come on. Look at this. Look at this.
How are you?
Hey, how are you, man?
Good.
How much is one plane?
200.
200 bucks. It's a shame I'm broke, but I would like one.
Yeah, you buy it, you put it in your house. One of your sons is gonna be a pilot.
No, not even putting on my, because I shoot like podcasts and stuff. So I would like it to be on display. Do you know podcasts?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I had money, for now it's too bad I'm too broke. But like if I had money, I can buy one and then put it out there.
Guys,
Yeah, buy one is him.
we were
One of
here to
your
see.
siblings
Yeah.
is
And I
gonna be,
thought we were here to buy.
is gonna be a
Because,
pilot.
damn.
You see, a dream comes from that.
That's true. That is very true, bruh. Let's go, my guy.
Guys, I know for some of you this is new, but to me, oh come on. You're kidding right
Oh, for some of them, this is not new at all.
now. For some of you
Because they are
guys,
used
this,
to, ne? But
this
like,
is
yo, guys,
everyday life. But
please, every
this-
Sunday,
come on.
look at this, look at this. What? Look at this, boy.
My grandpa has this.
Oh, your grandpa has this.
Now this,
This is something else, ne?
and you can't even believe it was made out of wood.
Here's the chairs. Remember I told you about the chairs?
Chess.
Yeah, this is chairs.
I'm sure this is art chess.
Yeah, exactly. This
is art
This
chairs.
is art chairs. This is nice, bro. Please, guys, Rosebank, the rooftop market. If you like what we are seeing, guys, come on top, come and support. Come and show some support, guys. This is dope, bro.
Support him.
And we can buy this.
Yeah, man. This is okay. This is crazy. So yeah, man. So when we talk about the rooftop market, I promised my son that like I'm gonna take him to rooftop market. I hope now he's happy. You know, we had to take like 2 taxis and shit. So it is not easy, but just to come and browse, bro, it's nice. It's nice. See, I told him some people are picking up their stuff now. They're about to leave. But like, yeah, man, this is it, bro. Rooftop market. Here we go. So, man, subscribe, like, comment. There's a crazy art, bro. This is crazy.
Guys, sorry I'm not saying anything, but I'm just captivated by this art. You gotta be kidding me.
This is nice. This is nice.
Yes.
So yeah, man. This is pure art, guys. Yeah. Squids. Okay. Also, so they are not jellyfish. These are squids. Hello. Okay, let's go. Please come this side. Yeah, man, guys, we're about to leave. We're about to go to the other side because we are done with rooftop. We don't have money, we broke. So yeah, man, it's time to leave and go to
It's too bad.
the zone side. So right now we're going to the zone side. I want to show him the gaming site.
Did you say the gaming site?
Yeah, man, we're going to the gaming side, so you'll know. Chilling at home is not Josie. Josie's going around and browsing and seeing things, even though we're not buying. But yeah, man, thanks to Seth, man. Savannah is the one who said, yo, I must take Krillin out. Yeah, man. So yeah, man. So thanks to her. So you don't have to chill and watch cartoons and stuff. Okay? So yeah, man, we're going to the other side. See you on the other side, guys. Away. Yo, guys, we're at the zone on the gaming side. This nigga is excited. This guy is so excited as if like he's going to play or anything, bro. So we're just here by the game. Oh, bro. So we're just here by the gaming side, as you can see, guys. As you can see. But we ain't gonna be playing. Nigga, we ain't gonna be playing. But you gonna be watching, though.
I said,
So, ahí. Tsunanyano, estamos. Tata yung mahiya na yung mga. Today, yeah, today. Yo, I feel bad, guys. I feel bad. My boy is into this thing. It's like it's locked in, Baba. It's locked in, Baba. Say what, man? You what? Can you do this thing? Can you do it? Yeah? Can you do it? Okay, yeah, I know. And then check this thing out. Check out that one. So what's the point of these things? Who can bounce better or who can smash others quicker?
have more fun.
Guys, please comment on the comment section. How do you play these things? So you just keep on bumping to each other. Like, how do you play this thing, man? So what about Chinese doing? Yeah? Okay, I'm going so. Or you want this machine guns? Hey, kids have fun in these places, Baba. No, shout out, guys. Kids have fun here. If you want to have fun with your kids, please come this side. Yeah?
I can win this game. I'm not gonna get it.
100 natin tangal. Wala, okay, wala. Hey, people are having fun. Next time, boy. Next time, boy.
The shell I was told. The shell I was told.
If we don't have so this is where they say if the sisters will come and play on this one. Huh?
What are you doing, Jelly?
Pumele one.
No, for the shop.
Yeah? Like how are you playing this thing? And then here, what's going on here? What do you think is happening here? It says zombie something. Zombie snatch.
Yeah, I'm a statue of this thing.
Yeah?
I'm a statue of this boss to win.
Yeah, it says zombie snatch. I don't know, but like it's written 500. I don't know if it's a 500 win. Oh, what's going on? Let's go on the other side. This is gaming, crazy. This is gaming. Yeah? What's going on here? What are these? Oh, Kung Fu Panda. Oh, you're saying Kung Fu Panda. Okay. I feel bad. I feel bad for bringing this guy, guys. There's a lot of gaming stuff here, guys. So I feel bad, but like at least you came and witness all these things. So next time when we come, boys, we're gonna be playing. When I say let's go to Rosebank, Baba, check these water guns here. Tumenya. You think you can win? Yeah?
This is chance.
Ah! You think you can win, Poisey?
Yeah.
Let's go to the other ones and see. Let's go to the other side. Kumashara kusungale tele hal. Kupala ko yale. Hey, this nigga is confused, guys. You don't know which is he. Just want to watch this thing. All of it. But which is good. You know. So yeah. Yeah? Oh, lo voy a fazer nele. Yeah, this one is more nicer, because nothing goggles. Guess what, guys? We decided, guys. he decided to get this nigga a card, guys. So yeah, you must subscribe there, guys. Because he can't just be watching, guys. I felt bad. I said we're not doing this thing, Baba. I said we're not doing this thing. But like at the end of the day, I was like, you know what? Let's get him something. At least he got like 50 bucks. You have to play something. Yeah, you have to play something, guys. Yeah, man. I don't know which one would you like to play. Which one? Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see. We just have to queue. I think it's gonna take the shooting one. I think it's gonna take the shooting one first, and then yeah, we'll see. Guys, Kerlin decided to play this one, guys. He wants to play this one. So we wanna see if he's gonna win. If he's not gonna win, I'm taking this card and I'm playing on my own. So we will see how he's gonna win this thing. Yes, who decided to play? Start here going with you. Why? What's your pick up? Okay, oh, that one. Okay, there we go. Four. Okay. 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 All right. Guess who decided to play, guys? Go, Baba. Go, Baba. Hey! Make sure you score, Chief. I understand you, Miss. I understand you, Miss. Guys, this guy didn't even last there, I have to record. He's saying it was 1 man and stuff. And then where to now? Where to now? I check the other one. Let's check the other one. Maybe this guy didn't even last a minute, guys. Yeah. Guys who decided to go and kill the zombies because he failed the basketballs. Press, Chief. Dude, I let it out. Like, hey. Let's go, Baba. Don't do that one. Yeah, that way they want, man. Hey. Look at this tech team partners. Look at these tech team partners. Oh my goodness. Okay, we see you. Okay, Mr. Zombie Killer. We see you, Mr. Zombie Killer. Let's go, Baba. Let's go. Kill those monsters, Baba. Hey, reload. Yeah, but no. We see you. Shoot, Baba. Look at those zombies, Baba. So all of them are playing, guys. All of them, three of them. There's 3 soldiers in there. You can see your kills on top there. You see? You can see your kills, man. Yeah? Now when you are enjoying, you can. Okay. Okay. Second round, guys. He's finishing his card money now. He's playing for the second round now. Okay, let's see. So all of them are playing, guys. From here to that side. All of them are playing. This is crazy. This is crazy. So it's four soldiers now. It's 4 soldiers now. Alright? Chief, you only could like 8, Baba. 9 now. Check on your side, Baba. And the kills, Baba, there. Okay? I see you, Mr. Killer, man. 20 kills now. Oh, it's 21. Guys, it's easy to finish something that's gonna finish your mind. Go with your kids anywhere, you will see they'll try your mind, Baba. Good. You are the highest now. 26 kills. This is the highest that side. We got 28 kills now. 29. Raw. So you can even see on the screen, guys, who's leading. That guy is doing 40 something that side. Oh, you're on 40 something. Okay, you are leading now. Okay, you are leading now. He's leading that side, bro. Are you still there? I think now you're out. I think you're out now. I think you're out, Chief. I think you're discharged, Baba. I think it's discharged, Baba. How fun was that, Baba? Yeah? It's a so much fun, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, alright. Ah, well, guys, it's out, guys. This ticket is out. We loaded 50 bucks there. It's out. But like, how was it, boys? Yeah? How was it, man?
It was good. It was good.
Just good, man. Guys, we decided to leave Rosebank, guys. It was fun. At least the boy knows.
It was fun, well.
Yeah, it was fun while lasted, guys. It was fun while lasted. So yeah, man, we decided to buy some 50 bucks ticket card, man.
Yeah.
Just so he can play at least. Okay, mustn't just watch. And guess he must feel that thing. So at least he did, and then yeah, man. Now we're leaving Rosebank, guys. Going back to Kugazi.
See you later.
Yeah, man. So don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell, guys. Every time when we drop, guys, you'll be notified. Aye. So, guys,
What up, what's happening, people? What up, what's happening?
my nigga just came through, guys. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, aye. So, as we're just leaving.
We also outside.
Away. So,
We
please,
also
guys,
outside.
subscribe. Don't forget to
Better
subscribe,
make sure
guys.
subscribe.
Please.
What's the name of your channel? What's the name of your channel?
Sithole, Mina, we do podcasting, we do vlogs, we do all the shit.
Yeah, also vlog. But I like what you're doing.
Aye.
Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Let's run up these numbers.
Yeah, let's keep on going. Away, gang. Away, guys. That was cool, bro. You know, meeting people with us, vlogs and whatnot, guys. It was a yoba. So yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, guys. Yeah, we're out. We're out, boy. Tell them we're out. Tell them to subscribe, boys. You don't want to tell them to subscribe.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Subscribe.
Away.